Hello, dear Taurus. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for February 2021 till the mid-February, till 15th of Feb, you can say. So, let's quickly tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and let's see what will be the outcome. Okay. So, right now, what your partner's energy is, they are walking away from you. Five of Pentacles energy is there. So right now your partner is walking away from you, or energetically they are feeling like walking away from this particular relationship, or they are feeling like this is not the right moment to act upon this relationship, and they are just walking away from this situation right now. And you are doing the similar thing, you both are doing the similar thing. Your partner is walking away from this relationship right now, and you are also walking away from this particular relationship, or the person that is on your mind or in your life right now. You are also walking away from this particular relationship right now. You both are walking away from each other right now. That is the feeling, that is the energy of both the partners right now. How they see you as their soulmate. They see you, this is the Two of Cups energy. So they see you as their soulmate, they see you as their partner, they see you as love, they see you as abundance, they see you right now, they are seeing you like you are the most beautiful person, in and out. They are feeling like they are feeling like, yes, they know it, that this is a soulmate connection. They know it, that they love you. They know it, that this particular person or you are the one to be with right now. And on the other hand, what you feel for them, the Magician. So maybe you feel like this person manifested this connection, maybe you are manifesting this connection, maybe you are feeling like this person is a magician or a creator, or whatever they want in their life, they can create it. This person is a great manifester according to you. This person is kind of the person who can manifest anything, who can create anything just like that. Okay, so right now you both are walking away from each other, and both of you love each other, both of you are manifesting each other, both of you feel like a soulmate connection. I don't know why the hell are you guys doing this, right? So yeah. And what they feel about this particular relationship with you is the King of Pentacles energy. They feel like this, they feel very stable with you, they feel very happy with you, they feel like, yes, everything is in tune with you. They feel like you are financially stable, you are a very beautiful person, you are kind of person whom everybody likes. Okay, so right now they feel like about this particular relationship, they feel like, yes, you are the King of Pentacles, you are stable, you are a solid person, you know what to do with your life, and you are on their mind all the time, right? What you feel about this relationship, the Ten of Cups energy, you also feel the same for them. These are mutual feelings, mutual love, mutual understanding. There's everything mutual in this particular relationship, but there is something that is holding you back, both of you guys. So that there's something that is there is an energy of maybe taking a pause from each other, maybe taking a break from each other, because the past energies are making you feel like way down or burdened or something like that. So you feel like this particular person makes you very happy, and you want a family with them, and you want to pursue this relationship in the future, no matter how hard the situation looks right now. Okay, and what they want from this relationship, they want this Two of Swords energy is there. So they are on the crossroads, they want to make a decision, they are indecisive about this particular relationship. They don't know how to react to this situation, they don't know what to do with this relationship, they don't know how to make things right the way it was. Okay, the way it worked. So it is kind of energy, they want a clarity, they want mental clarity, they want clarity from for this particular relationship, and that is why they are maybe suffering in silence, they are not telling you anything. On the other hand, what you want from this relationship, the Judgment card, you are assessing everything that you did in past for this particular person, or in this particular relationship. You are judging everything, Taurus. You are on the verge of making things right. You want a reconciliation, you want to give them another chance, or you want to give this particular relationship another chance. But right now you are in the energy of walking away. Right now you are feeling like, okay, whatever is happening, I want to take a break, I want to take a pause, then I will proceed further, maybe in the near future, but not right now. Okay, and the outcome from their side is This is the Nine of Wands energy. They are wounded, they are very hurt, they are badly missing you, they are feeling lost without you, they are feeling like no matter how hurt I'm feeling right now, I'm not going to take any action, I will walk away from this particular person or this relationship. But trust me, this is not easy for them. They love you a lot, they feel like you are their soulmate, they feel like you are their happiness, but still right now they are walking away. And because of this walking away situation, they are in pain, they are so much in pain, but they are standing on their own ground. Maybe they are acting little weird or adamant, or they are kind of okay, this situation or this person is hurting me, this relationship is hurting me, but I know deep inside that this person is right for me, I love this person. So right now I might take a step back, I will walk away from this particular person right now, but they are missing you a lot. They are feeling lost and wounded, and kind of wounded warrior. They feel like they have done everything that they could to save this relationship, but things didn't work out. So right now they are wounded and hurt. Okay. On the other hand, Queen of Swords energy is there. You are getting the mental clarity, you are cutting out them, you are cutting them out from your life. Maybe you are feeling like this person is not serving you the way they should, so that is why maybe you are cutting them, right, cutting them out of your life right now. Because what I can feel is the Queen of Swords know what they want, and they wear their heart on their sleeves, and they don't do anything just to make other people happy. So the Queen of Swords is very energetic, very unapologetically honest and loyal, and they know what they want, and that is what you are doing. You are getting the mental clarity. Right now you are feeling like walking away is the right decision for you, and I think this is the right decision for you, Taurus, because you both are hurt, you both are feeling like you both are in love, you both see each other as a happy person, and you both see each other as a soulmate or something like that. But right now you both are hurt, badly hurt, and what I can feel is your partner is much more hurt than they are showing it. Okay. And on the other hand, you are gaining the mental clarity, you are coming out of this trapped energy, and eventually you will come out of this, Taurus. I'm very happy for you. The message from the universe is the Two of Pentacles. Stop juggling, stop being indecisive, stop being on the crossroads. Gain some mental clarity. You are gaining it anyways, so you are getting the mental clarity, you are getting whatever is right for you. So the universe is telling me that you should stop juggling, you should stop keeping this person on and off, coming in, going out, coming in, going out. You have to take a decision, Taurus. You have to take a decision and stick to it, no matter how hard it seems right now. Okay. And the Sword of Rose is telling me that there will be clarity, there will be truth, there will be revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power. So this is the card for you from the universe, that what you have to do. Can you read it? Read it aloud 3-4 times, Taurus, so that you gain the knowledge. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is all about your love life till mid-Feb, Taurus. I hope it helps, and thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Do subscribe to my channel and do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much. God bless you and namaste. Love from India. Thank you.